Hey YouTube, this is your girl Lyn Afros. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you the two-strand method of twisting your own hair. So what I'll basically do is I have my hair already washed and moisturized. It's damp enough, good enough to go for this hairstyle. So I already have it in sections, big sections, like 7 of them. And I already undid this first section of my hair and combed through so that it's now so much easier to work with. So I'll show you what I do using this section of hair so that you'll get an understanding of how I go about this. So I take my section of hair that's already been detangled. There's no heat that was used on this hair, just wash and go. And then I further section it using just my hands. You get to decide how big you want your sections to be, the ones you will be twisting. I want to try and keep them as neat as possible, so I'm separating my hair further. Let me just get this out of the way. So if I start with this can give me 2 strands that I will work with for now. So what I do, I just check my hair, and because I don't want it to get off so easily or look untidy, what I do, I start with braiding the hair itself at the tips, at the roots rather. So I separate it into 3 sections that are equal and then just start braiding it. You get to decide how big or long you want that section to be, and then I'll take the middle one and separate it into equal parts and share it so that I can now start twisting. So before twisting the hair itself, you can twist each separate strand. This is what I do. Like, you just begin by twisting this section and then you twist this other one, and then you'll now twist the whole thing together. I find it easier to do this because it gets it well put together and it doesn't come off easily, and I find that it looks neater when I do this. So basically you continue with the same thing all the way down. You first twist. I don't know if you're seeing that I'm twisting this and twisting this and then twisting the 2 strands together. So this is the size of section that I decided to go with today. You get to decide how big you want your sections to be. And I think it's coming off just as I expected it. There you go. So this is what you'll go on doing with the rest of the hair. So I'll go through it once more with you. You separate it into 3 parts. In Kenya we call this matuta. Use your fingers to avoid extra manipulation. And then you twist, you rather braid your own hair to get a grip at the base. When you're satisfied that the grip is firm enough, then you can separate the middle section and share it with the other 2 strands of hair that you separated. twist the strands separately and then twist them together now to get the perfect twist for your hair. This will cost you zero, people, zero, just your hair. So long as you have hair, you can do this at home anytime. One more thing, it's good to decide what type of style you want your hair in when it's done, so that it makes it easier to style later on. So what I do, because I want it to just fall on my sides, I already styled this one. You can see the middle line here. So I'll just tend to pull it this way, while when I get to this, I'll tend to pull it this way, so that when the final look is here, it's going to look just as I want it to be. So what I do when I get to the tips after twisting, I just finger coil the ends so that they don't become too rough or start unraveling. If you want, you can add extra moisture to the ends to make them even better. So this is how my twists are going to be. I already like it, and I'm going to do the same thing throughout the hair, the whole head, and then I'll come back and share the final results with you people. That's it people, this is the final look. It's finally done. I like it, it feels nice. It's going to protect my hair. I'm not going to have to manipulate it for some time. It's looking cute, and you can style it whichever way you want so that it doesn't get boring. Keep moisturizing your hair even as you wait it out before you can take it down, especially during this quarantine time when people are actually indoors. Stay home with this simple protective hairstyle and your hair will appreciate it. Show it some love. Thank you for clicking by. Remember to share, subscribe, comment, and like this video, and watch out for more videos from me.